Before we start this video, I have some exciting news I want to share with you. Before we start this video, I wanted to share some exciting news with you. We've been able to partner with some great people in the animal rescue world, and I think it's going to allow us to do a lot of great things. The nonprofit part of Vet Ranch is now going to be transferred over to a program within their nonprofit called the Abandoned Pet Project. And basically, as far as what you see on the channel, everything will remain the same, except the place you go to donate will be on their webpage, abandonedpetproject.org, and you'll go to a specific Vet Ranch program and donate, and it'll go straight to us, just like before. What this will do for me is it'll allow me to spend more time doing what I'm good at, which is the veterinary medicine side of things, and hopefully helping a lot more animals. Abandoned Pet Project already has some cool events planned, like a vaccine clinic in a low-income area, as well as some spay, neuter, and adoption days, which I'm really pumped that we get to be a part of. So Vet Ranch YouTube channel has always been owned and operated solely by me, and it's going to remain that way. We're just teaming up with them to basically relieve the burden and also expand on what we can do. So we're going to keep doing that. We're going to try to really fix them all. I think with this partnership we'll be able to. Let's get started. Welcome to Vet Ranch. I'm Dr. Matt, and we have a little kitten named Angel. She is a homeless kitten, was at the shelter. Someone actually dropped her off at a vet clinic to be euthanized, and the vet took her to the shelter. This is going to be a little graphic, so if you are squeamish, look away. She has a terrible eye. Very bad, very rotten, enlarged, pretty nasty. She's probably around 5 weeks old. This eye is gone. We need to take it out. But she's so little that I hate putting tiny little babies like this under anesthesia. It's pretty dangerous for them. And she's got a flea on her. So what we're going to do is just start treating her with oral antibiotics as well as some topical antibiotics on that. And just try to get her a little bit bigger, get that eye a little bit healthier. It'll make the surgery easier when the eye is healthier, and it'll make it also safer when she's a little bit older. So we're just going to treat her conservatively right now and let her have a little bit more time to grow and heal. That is a nasty eye. I'm sorry. I don't know if I said, but her name is Angel. So we'll let you come along for the ride and watch Angel as she heals and gets ready for surgery. It has been 1 month since we got her, and look how big she is. She's a growing kitty. So this will make it a lot better for her during anesthesia, a lot safer for her. I'd love to wait for another like 3 months to where she's a really big cat, but we need to go ahead and fix that eye so that she can hurry up and get adopted. Under anesthesia now, we have clipped and cleaned that eye. There was a ton of discharge just because that's not a normal eye. There's not normal structures in there, and it's gonna always ooze like that if we don't take out those contents and suture the eye closed. So that's what we're gonna do now, and unfortunately I'm not gonna show you guys the video because it's a very gruesome surgery, very gory. A lot of people don't wanna see that, and it could get flagged off of YouTube and the whole video might get taken down. So, sorry about that, but we'll be back in the blink of an eye. We will see you there. Keep an eye out for the rest of this video. Done with surgery. Kitten is doing good. Got sutures right there, got the eye out. It was just a big rotten mess that came out in a bunch of pieces. It was just a falling apart eye, but doing well. We're just waiting for her to wake up now. Been about 10 minutes since she woke up from surgery. She's doing really well. I know. She's kind of trying to purr and meow at the same time. But doing good, and we're just gonna let her rest now, try to get some good nutrients in her, and let her heal up. It has been a month and a half since we got her, 10 days since surgery. She's doing really well. She's got a big old fat belly. The kitten's grown a lot since we first got her. And surgery site looks great. So we are actually gonna send her on. This will be the last time that we see her. And she does not want to be held. It's early in the morning right now and she just wants to play and wrestle. But thanks for watching Vet Ranch. Thanks for supporting us so we can support little kittens like Angel. And we will see you next time.